Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you this free free AI tool. Is called Krea AI. So we can come into here to see the pricing. So here the plan is called free, and then basics $10 per month, pro $35 per month, and max to $660 per month homepage. And then today we coming to this general video. Okay, we just click it. So now if you're not registered yet, sign up yet, you can log in by your email or your Google account. So I just log in with this Google account. Okay, now we already they already bring me to this web page, this app. Okay, we can try to click. So this is from the point A going to the point B. They have a two picture. Click duration is about 3 seconds, and then below this photo is a purple column. You can write down your prompt, then they will help you to, and then you click this generate video, and then will come out to your your video, your new video. So here I have a selection for film, render, animation, and experimental. So now I just remain this film. So I delete this photo, and then the prompt together. So now what I want to do, I can come in here, add keyframe, and then we come to the add frames. Okay, I click the photo I want to use it. So here is use this command V, click this one, upload photo. Okay, and then another second add keyframe, I just click one more time. But now I want to upload another photo, so just come in here, drag and drop, waiting the uploading. Okay, and the depth area, maybe I just put over here, and then I just upload the photo. One more here, and then over here I need to upload one more. Over here, and number 5, also upload one more photo. Oops, supposed to be this one. Okay, so now I just come in here to adjust 4 second, 5 second. So this one I can adjust a bit to relocate the timing, maybe like this. So during this prompt over here, you can writing a baby girl. Okay, and then here I can writing a sorry about that, little girl hang holding camera. Okay, and then about this prompt I can adjust a bit here, smiling facing camera. Okay, and third one is adjust the location, and then click here writing smiling sweet facing camera. Okay, so this is what I writing now. So now I just coming to here. Okay, before that we can come in to click this setting. You can looping video or unlooping video, and then motion intensity you can adjust, but everything I just remain, and then the aspect ratio I will still remain 1.1. Okay, everything is done. I just come to click this one, generating video. Just click this one, just waiting for a few seconds. They will be running and then processing my photo, and he will bring me, I think it's very beautiful video. Oh wow, just waiting a few seconds, let them to process it. They will be looping and looping, make this video more beautiful. Wow. Hey guys, this is very good AI to generate the video from a kids and becoming a adult girl. So now just about 4 seconds and still waiting about 5 seconds. I think supposedly I need to put in is a 3 second as well. If I want to, duration is about 5 seconds. I think I should to put another 2 picture as well. So this is the outcome. Oh, I think from a young baby photo girl like this. So after you're happy about this, you can, I think, where is the download? Oh, video downloading will be not work in this browser. Please use Chrome. So I'm so sorry I cannot download because I use this browser is not allowed to download. But anyway, here they have a 4 selection for you to select, like a films, render, animation, and experimental. Yes. So this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.